I'm Hueki from Malaysia. I get stroke on 2011 year.
Namanya Hueki, dia kena stroke di tahun 2011.
This is what? Left. Left
ya. Oke, jadi sebelah kiri. Dia stroke di kotak sebelah kiri.
Oh, the whole body beside here, I cannot move.
Jadi yang sebelah kanan dia nggak bisa gerakin sama sekali.
And my mouth here all going up like this. Like that, go up like this.
Mulutnya tuh ke atas ya, angkat ke atas. Oke, miring.
So I always the things will come out, all the things I cannot eat properly.
Tiap kali minum itu dia pasti ngetes. Oke.
Okay. Then doctor asked me to do my operation.
Oh, jadi dokternya suruh dia lakukan operasi.
Because it's my one is blocking blood vessel blocking.
Ya, jadi karena kan tertutup ya, dia punya otak tuh ada darahnya gitu loh.
Doctor say I must do this operation. If not, I will whole body cannot move. I will die. I will like sleep at the bed there, cannot move.
Jadi dokter itu bilang katanya harus dioperasi secepat mungkin, kalau nggak nanti jadi badannya benar-benar nggak bisa digerakin.
Okay. So after that, I don't want. So I follow doctor instruction, eat medicine 4 years and do acupuncture.
Oh, jadi beliau hanya makan obat. Ya, beliau nggak mau operasi, beliau hanya ikutin dokter bilang makan obat selama 4 tahun dan lakukan namanya akupuntur.
Yeah, acupuncture like this.
Yeah.
Put all these jarum-jarum around 50 to 60 pieces.
Wow.
Whole body.
Jadi ada yang 50 sampai 60 jarum yang ditusukin di kakinya semua di badannya. Oke.
1 week 3 times.
1 minggu 3 kali seperti itu ya. Aduh,
do 3 years already. I do 3 years.
Selama 3 tahun ya.
But after 3 years, I eat medicine and do this, nothing improvement.
Oh, setelah 3 tahun beliau makan obat dan lakukan akupuntur, tidak ada improve yang berarti.
Doctor still ask me to operation.
Oh, dokternya tetap selalu bilang harus operasi.
And my leg will always cramp like stone. I cannot move.
Oh, kaki kanannya dia tuh selalu kram ya, kayak batu gitu loh.
Yeah, I cannot move. I have to put injection, then only I can walk.
Oh, jadi kalau dengan segera harus disuntik, dia cuma bisa jalan.
Okay, and my hand always shaking. I cannot hold a spoon.
Oh, jadi tangannya selalu gemeteran dan nggak bisa pegang sendok.
And I have a ear for unbalanced flute lah.
Oh, oke. Jadi dia punya pendengaran juga nggak terganggu, jadi kayak nggak balance gitu loh.
Yes, so I always dizzy, pening.
Ya, berasa pusing, selalu berasa pusing.
I cannot drive more than half hours. I cannot drive.
Oh, dia nggak bisa nyetir mobil even dalam waktu 30 menit itu dia nggak bisa nyetir. Oke.
Yes. After 2017, I met Martin. Okay. I first using Alpha Spin. Okay. Then the first year, I can see the medical report got improvement a little bit.
Wow. Jadi tahun 2017 beliau ketemu satu orang yang namanya Martin, lalu mulai pakai namanya Alpha Spin. Nah, setelah 1 tahun pakai, itu dia punya medical reportnya tuh ada pergerakan.
Okay, after I see my improvement, then I try to use Alpha Spin more and more. The second years, okay, my improvement is from I can show you.
Nah, jadi di tahun kedua dia pakai Alpha Spin-nya lebih sering lagi. What do you use for what? Taking shower, everything.
Okay. Yes, I taking shower until I sleep. I also hold Alpha Spin beside me.
Oke. Jadi walaupun tidur kemana-mana pun pakai Alpha Spin bawa kemana-mana. Oke.
When I sleep, I wake up, I will touch my hand. Where is Alpha Spin? Okay. I bring Alpha Spin 24 hours.
Oke, jadi dia Alpha Spin itu selalu di dekat dia 24 jam ya. Kemana pun pakai Alpha Spin.
Okay. This one, I try to let you people see. Can you people see? Last time my report is over 1. Always the cholesterol is 6.8 lah. Then my cholesterol will be 6.2.
Okay, so
I always over range.
Oke, kolesterolnya tadinya selalu berlebihan, sekarang kolesterolnya sudah mulai normal, mendekati normal.
Yes. I go back to normal. Last time my high blood sugar is 18.
Okay.
Okay, now I use alpha spin and alpha meta.
Yeah.
I go to 4.
Now 4.
Yes.
Tadinya 80
I eat medicine.
Sekarang 4, jadi udah normal.
Yes, I eat medicine. 3 years, I can go to 12 only. Cannot lower already. I eat medicine, doctor asked the medicine also can reduce until 12 only.
Oh, jadi minum obat selama 3 tahun hanya mengurangi sampai 12. Tapi ini pakai alpha.
But I didn't eat medicine. Now I didn't eat medicine 3 years already. Okay, I just alpha meta and alpha spin. Amazing. I keep 4 until now.
Wow.
Since 2018.
Sejak 2018 sampai hari ini dia udah nggak minum obat, sudah 3 tahun lebih udah nggak minum obat ya. Dia hanya pakai alpha meta, alpha spin, bahkan dia punya gula darah sekarang bisa maintain 4. Tadinya minum obat cuma 12 bisa turunnya ya. Sekarang udah 4 tanpa obat.
When I use alpha spin half years, I stop until now. 2007 until now. I just go and see doctor 1 year once only to do the medical checkup.
So jadi beliau tuh dari 2017 sudah totally stop obat, hanya pakai alpha spin, alpha meta sampai hari ini. Then how you feel now? Your body?
Very good, amazing. Amazing. My family doctor also said, why my medicine cannot save your life, but this one save your life. So my doctor also buy from me already.
Wow. Jadi dokternya bilang ya, even mau obat aja nggak bisa selamatin dirinya dia, tapi gara-gara alpha spin sama alpha meta itu bisa selamatin dirinya beliau ya, luar biasa.
My family doctor see me almost 25 years. Okay, every month I go and visit doctor 3 times. Every month 3 times. 25 years already. He tell me.
Jadi beliau ya, dia ada dokter keluarganya tuh dulu kalau waktu lagi sakit 1 bulan, setiap 1 bulan tuh minimum harus 3 kali ke dokter ketemu.
I using alpha spin. I only go to see doctor 1 year, 1 time to do medical checkup.
Oke, setelah pakai alpha spin, dia hanya ketemu dokternya 1 tahun sekali aja hanya untuk medical checkup. Wow, amazing.
Yes, amazing. That is why my doctor say amazing. This product I can see your result from your blood. I mean full medical checkup. So he believe it.
Dokternya tuh sekarang jadi percaya gitu kan, gara-gara lihat memang living proof bahwa Hoeki yang tadinya minum obat sekarang benar-benar bebas obat, bahkan lebih sehat.
Yes, and I'm more beautiful now.
Yeah. Okay,
I just use alpha spin and alpha meta. I from 85 until now 70. Last time I very fat one. My weight is 85. Okay. Until now I get 70.
Wow, reduce 10 kilo.
Yes, 15.
15. Ya, dulu dia 85 kilo ya, sekarang dia 70 kilo. Ya, hanya yaitu hidup sehat, pola hidupnya pakai alpha spin, minum air alpha meta, air alpha spin, minum alpha meta. Ya, dan sekarang berat badannya berkurang. Oke, Hoeki. Yes. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you everybody. Thank you.
Oke.